If we follow one saying from Gandhi, we can evaluate the level of society by how the animals are treated. Animals are without any doubt sentient beings. They feel pain, they have emotions, they understand, they love, and they don't understand why they are treated with suffering and with pain. It is important to enter a certain amount of consideration into the law, because a certain amount of people do not understand how to act and react towards the animal, treating them just like objects or just like plants. All over Europe, more and more countries are recognizing animals as a sentient being. I believe that Slovenia, being a small country, could take some step further than other countries and become an example for the whole Europe, eventually for the whole world. Accepting that an animal is a sentient being is a very important step. Further, we could give also some attention to how the animals are treated in case of divorce, for example, who will take care of the animal, and to be careful that the one who will inherit the animal will take care of the animal properly, not to consider the animal like a chair or a piece of furniture, but to consider as a living being, as a sentient being. And animals is feeling emotions as we do, and should be treated with the same consideration. I think this is not very important to implement in terms of regulation. It is not easy because the lobby regarding the consumption of meat and the hunting or the medical experiments and so on is very strong. So they would like to keep the animal in the shadow, that nobody really pay attention to them. As sentient being ourselves, as compassionate being, as being able to love the others, we need to understand the importance of loving the animals. Yes, in a Christian-based nation, the Christ said that we need to love the others as ourselves. The others are not just the neighbor, are not just the humans, they are also the animals, without any doubt. And we need to apply this, not just from time to time, but to place it into the law with specific punishment in case of non-respect of this kind of law, to encourage people to recognize and respect the rights of the animals. I think this would be a great sign. This would be the sign of inner development of a society.